Hi everybody, in this guide I'll walk you through the steps on how to connect Spotify to Amazon Echo. To connect Spotify to Amazon Echo Alexa, you could follow these steps. In order to set it up as a default music player, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. Open up your Alexa app onto your device, then go to the menu bar or bottom right hand side corner of your screen. Moving on, next you'll be able to see this sort of page. So here you want to scroll down and go to settings. As you go, select music and podcast from the list. When you go to music and podcast here, you want to make sure to select link a new service and go ahead and select Spotify. Now that you've successfully added a Spotify to your Amazon Alexa, once again, in order to set it as a default service, you simply want to go to music and podcast from the settings itself. You want to go ahead and make sure to select Spotify, and that is how you could set it up as a default music player. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.